Hello, this video explains how to answer question 1 of this Edexcel A-level Maths Mechanics paper, and the video will end with what the mark scheme says on the subject. Here's the question. Part A involves knowledge of Year 1 Mechanics, Chapter 10, Forces and Motion, and Part B involves Year 2 Mechanics, Chapter 5, Forces and Friction. Part A. This particle has mass 0.5 kilograms, so its weight is its mass multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity, so 0.5 g newtons. I'll just mark that on. So 0.5 g newtons. Okay, so the particle is at rest, so according to Newton's third law, there must be an equal and opposite force acting on it, i.e. the normal reaction. Here it is. Okay, so the normal reaction is the same as the weight. Therefore, the normal reaction is 0.5 g, and working that through, we find out that it's 4.9 newtons. So part B, a horizontal force is applied to P. Let's mark that on as x newtons. P is now in limiting equilibrium, which means that the maximum force is being applied to it before it starts to move. There must be an equal and opposite force in the other direction. We're told that P is on a rough surface, therefore we know that the force in the other direction is that's stopping P moving is friction. There it is. We also know that the equation for limiting frictional force is F equals mu r. The question tells us that the coefficient of friction mu is 2/7, and we've calculated r in part A, so the limiting frictional force can be worked through to find out that it's 1.4 newtons. This is equal to x, so x equals 1.4 newtons. And here's how the 3 marks were awarded according to the mark scheme. Thank you for listening. I hope this video has helped.